the power of the purse has been trivialized and wantonly squandered. Ito ba talaga ang BICAM report? Ang programa ng gobyerno para sa sambayang Pilipino na hirap na sa buhay? O para sa kapakanan ng iilan lamang? I also attempted to obtain a CCTV footage of the reported ratification of the 2025 BICAM report. For some incomprehensible reason, the Senate Secretariat refused to oblige, alleging that a non-existent data privacy regulation prohibited my being provided a copy. They seem to forget that sessions in the Senate are public and are even live-streamed nationally. Nonetheless, the transcript reveals that the viva voce voting was conducted. Did we bother to ascertain how many senators were actually present on the floor at the time? I certainly was no longer there, and so many other senators had determined to depart. Would it have hurt to check if, as a parent on so many other online videos, there were a mere 13 members present? As already pointed out, some of the members of the Senate only signed the signature page. After years as the Appropriations Vice Chairman for the opposition in the House, I know that it is custom and tradition as well in the Senate to sign each and every page. And since some of the senators, having never seen the BICAM report until that instant, refused to sign all the pages in the Senate copy of the BICAM report, would it not have been prudent to determine why did they refuse before proceeding to ratify it? Napirmahan nga ba ito? O isa na namang himala ang buo, kompleto, kada pahinang pagpirma ng mga senador natin? More disturbing is the fact that the BICAM report was ratified even though at the time there was no final version of the 2025 GAB report. Is it not the BICAM report that was supposed to embody all the changes that the bill had undergone during the BICAM conference? How can the BICAM committee release a BICAM report for the 2025 GAB when the actual 2025 GAB was still being finalized? Sunod-sunod, linuluto pa. At walang patid ata itong kababalaghan. Even as I speak, the final version of the 2025 General Appropriations Bill is yet to be printed. As late as yesterday, the 17th of December, those in charge of the budget, the real BICAM, are still trying to massage the budget. Masahe pa po. Allocating and adjusting among themselves and their associates the infrastructure and other projects so that those who are in their good graces get a piece of the proverbial pie. Some may argue that what will be contained in the GAB is reflected in the BICAM report and that therefore it's not necessary for the GAB to be finalized before the BICAM report is released.